Hi, my name's Andrew Bennett, and I'm very excited to be bringing my interactive online voice workshop, Your Engaging Voice, Maximum Impact as You Speak, to Croydon Communicators. I'll be with Croydon Communicators on Thursday, November the 11th at 18:45 UK time, and you will be welcome to come along and join us, whether you're a member of another Toastmasters club or a guest who's never attended a Toastmasters meeting before. We're going to do some interactive exercises. We're going to find our very best vocal quality. We're going to find how to vary our pacing and our pitch and our dynamics as we work on getting the maximum impact from our speaking together. It's going to be a great evening. I'm looking forward to sharing it especially with you. So do come along on Thursday, the 11th of November, to Your Engaging Voice, Maximum Impact as You Speak, 18:45 UK time.